What's up, folks? It's Tuesday Titans on the railroad, on Rail Fan Vibes. We got a train coming. We are currently lit up for southbound CSX. But also we have Norfolk Southern right here as well. So we could get the best of both worlds, or once again we are lit up for that southbound CSX. So that one, we're expecting that one, but we'll never know. So folks, here we go. Check it out. Hope you got your popcorn ready this morning on a kind of cold and rainy morning here in Dayton, Ohio on Washington Street. Here we go. All right, folks, Rail Fan Vibes back at you once again. Gates are down. And you hear that beautiful sound? Yes, sir. It's got to be our CSX southbound. Here we go. Got an autorack southbound. Dad 777, this is you, brother, right here. It's all for you. It's Tuesday Titans on the railroad, on YouTube, on Rail Fan Vibes, baby. We got you covered. Signal has been knocked down. And Rail Fan Vibes is in full effect. And these are all empty. At least they look like they're empty. You can see straight through them. Kansas City Southern, they make it cool. All right, BNSF. Here comes CPKC. We're right up under I-75 here in Dayton, Ohio, and cars are up there and they're dousing water from the top. So you might see that from time to time on the video. If you take a look at our extended autorack right there. It's a good place to shelter, but again, like I say, sometimes water comes shooting off from the expressway up top. You can't control that right now. We're gonna do our best to get this video to you. It's Rail Fan Vibes, and we are definitely in effect. Tuesday Titans on the railroad, folks. Thanks for tuning in. It's cool and raining this morning. But that makes no never mind. Yes, indeed, RFB is in the house, baby. Providence and Worcester Railroad. Worcester? Is that how you pronounce it? Worcester? Rail Fan Tyson and Rail Fan Vibes over there doing his thing. Water's coming down again from up top. Still a pretty good place to film. See it coming from up the top, from up above. We have a DPU on the horizon. Rail Fan Tyson's our lookout over there. I don't have a good, yep, sure do. We got a DPU on the horizon, rail fans, and he's grumbling too. 50 298, yes indeed. ES40DC. I don't know why I did not bring my heavier coat. As soon as I leave from here, I am definitely going to go and retrieve it. This long sleeve sweater I have on right now is not cutting it. Definitely not cutting it. As always, support Rail Fanning Vibes. We are in it to win it. Our goal is success. Tell a friend about us. All right, Chelsea, you are loved on that autorack. RFV's in the house, baby. Yes, indeed. More graffiti art. 777, this is your thing right here, brother. Old Southern Pacific autorack there. They got a truck back there. He wants to show off his horn. But your horn doesn't compare to this horn right here. Rail Fanning Vibes is in full effect, baby. Yes, indeed. A little slack in between there. See what I mean? And that rain down. Oh, it's not rain, it's water. I assume from the pavement up top. All right, folks, here comes the end of our southbound empty autorack train. Once again, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Share this video. Tell a friend about Rail Fanning Vibes. All right, folks, peace out and God bless. Take care. And also, I would like to thank the men and women of the railroad, past and present. Without you guys, we would not be doing what we're doing right now. God bless. Peace out once again.